Customizing your iPhone alarm sound is not only fun and enjoyable, it's actually crucial for your morning routine. As the saying goes, wake up on the right side of the bed. Waking up to a pleasant sound contributes significantly to this. Research indicates that starting the day with a sound you enjoy can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Let's see how you can start your day right by learning how to change your iPhone alarm sound. First, ensure that your iPhone is on lock and you have the Apple Clock app, like this one right here. If it's missing, you can download it from the Apple App Store, or you can go ahead and check out in your app library to see if it's in here and you can just search it. Or you can slide down on your home screen and search for the Clock app. After opening the Clock app, look for the Alarms tab, or it will open directly to it. At the bottom, you can see them. Here are all your existing alarms. For the purpose of this guide, we'll only create one alarm. This alarm will only activate when manually set, and I'll show you how to set it so it repeats on your weekdays. Click the plus icon on the top right corner and select the time you want your alarm to activate. You can select which days of the week it will go off by going into the repeat menu and selecting the days you want it to be enabled. Next, hit back and go to sound. Here you can use the system default sounds or your Apple Music library alongside your ringtones. Yes, with iOS 17 and possibly iOS 16, let me know in the comment section below if you can on iOS 16, utilize your Apple Music library for your alarm. Just select pick a song, and here you can scroll through your recently added or recently playlist, etc. You choose which song you want by going into the song and going plus. And there it is. You can use your tones from the tone store that you have purchased, or you can save the $1.30 and follow my video up in the bubble for how to create your own custom iPhone ringtone sounds for free. I find it really weird that you can use your Apple Music library for your alarm sound, but you cannot use your Apple Music library for your ringtones. Come on, Apple, it shouldn't be that hard, but that's why I made my video for you, if you're interested. Your alarm is going to show up here in the alarms section. If you're curious about the sleep wake up alarm up there, it's a health synced alarm that lets my Apple Watch track my sleep. I can change it whatever way I want with my schedule if I'm going to bed earlier or later. I use it alongside my sleep focus, an iOS focus mode that mutes and blocks notifications and messages from certain people or apps during my sleep. These iOS focus modes make it so that you can customize your iPhone home screen, deciding which apps are going to show up depending on your focus mode. Here is my personal focus mode, which is different than my gaming focus mode. With iOS focus modes, you can also change your iPhone lock screen with animated wallpapers and even have it change wallpaper image when you're tapping on it. It can allow you to have multiple wallpapers throughout the day, as this example right here. By tapping it or hourly, I can have a different wallpaper. I've created multiple videos about these different topics, like how to customize your iPhone lock screen, how to customize your iPhone home screen, and how to create custom iPhone ringtones for free. All this for free, get it, in my YouTube channel and my website. Check it out, link in the description, and I hope to see you next time. Check out the playlist while you're at it, and subscribe, like, if you like it. I'm in World 7, your host at Richie Rich Lives. Till next time, peace.